All right, you got it.
I ain't got anything to drink. I'm sorry.
On the other side, you have to try it again. Oh, hold on a second. Are you trying to go over both of them? Oh, it went over both of them. You got it over both of them. There you go. Now just keep flipping it so the other part will come down. Flip it. Or shorter flips. At least you're over. There you go. There you go. There you go. Shorter. Just do shorter. Yeah, that's good. That's looking good. Perfect. One more time. Or a couple more times like that. You got it, man. Perfect. It's on the big branch, the big. You wrapped around your back foot. Watch it. You can give it a couple more, maybe another flip or something. I got a picture of it. I'm videoing it. It's sitting on the big branch, and you got about 3 feet. You should be able to get it from there. It's down on the branch. Yeah, it's way down here. You're good. Now, how to help? Come around the other side to get down. Well, you be damn careful. You hold on to that with 2 hands. Use that as something. Yeah. Get the other part. Get both of them. There you go. There you go. You're right. Yeah, grab that and the other one together. Yes. At least you got something to hold on to. It'd be a lot better to have something to hold on to, I'll tell you. There you go. There you go. Now I'm glad at least you got something to hold on to. You're stepping on pull it out of the way first. Pull that one, yeah, up out of the way. There you go. Now you can do it. Now you can do it. Right. Now you got it. And that's why I wanted to put that up originally. I thought that'd be great. We just I don't know. I wouldn't put weight on that branch. You crawled under the branch, yeah. You're not gonna. The other foot's got to go first. Yeah. Hold on to that damn rope. There you go. There you go. That's how you got up there. You crawled under that, and I didn't like it, but you crawled under that damn thing.